we guide you through how to turn on safe mode for Samsung phones quickly and easily. So the first thing you need to do is to press and hold the power button on your Samsung device until the power menu appears on your screen. Then tap and hold the power off option for a few seconds until a prompt shows up asking if you want to reboot into a safe mode. Once you see that, tap safe mode and your phone will automatically restart. After rebooting, you'll notice the word safe mode displayed at the bottom corner of your screen, which means only the default system apps are running and all third-party apps are temporarily disabled. Now, use your phone normally and check if the issue left lagging, crashing, or overheating is gone. If the problem disappears, then it's likely caused by a downloaded app, so you can start uninstalling recently installed apps one by one to find culprit. And once you're done troubleshooting, simply restart your phone normally by pressing the power button and tapping restart to exit safe mode and bring your device back to its full functionality.